name is Kelly. Thanks so much for watching my video. I am on the Optavia 5-in-1 plan and have been for about 6 weeks now. And I'm really excited to share a new recipe with you guys. I've tried it once and I absolutely loved it. So I wanted to teach you guys how to make it, and I will link the recipe below. I do alter it to my liking, so there are a few alterations that you're just going to want to make note of, and I'll explain that as we go along. So let's get cooking. Okay, so what you're going to need is 12 ounces of shredded chicken, and it needs to be cooked. So what I did for this recipe, last time I did my own chicken breast that I boiled and shredded myself. This time I went to the store and bought a rotisserie chicken. So with that rotisserie chicken, you just want to make sure that this is just a once in a while thing, because they do pack the chicken full of sodium and other condiments that maybe you're not sure of exactly how much they're putting in there. So for that purpose of this, there are some condiments in the recipe that I'm not going to add in because I believe that the chicken is seasoned enough. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your 12 ounces of shredded chicken breast, and if you notice in the recipe, it only calls for 3/4 of a cup of the Rayo's marinara sauce, which is part of a green. And so there's only one green in the serving. So it comes with 3 servings of 1 lean, 1 green, 1 condiment, and 1 healthy fat. So what I like to do is add in enough greens so that it's a full lean and green meal. It's really great with this Italian chicken bake. You can make it just as the recipe says and have a salad on the side, or your own cooked vegetables, however you want to do it. But the way I'd like to do it is add in a couple of more vegetables. So I'm going to be adding 1.5 cups of broccoli and 1.5 cups of mushrooms. So you can add in whatever you want. You can add in 1.5 cups of zucchini and 1.5 cups of mushrooms. You can do whatever you want, just as long as it's within your program. So I already have my chicken on the side. My hands are nice and washed, and I'm just going to go ahead and add it to my casserole dish. And what I'm also going to do is show you a picture here of what the finished product looks like when it's all kind of mixed together, because I'm not just adding my chicken, but I'm also going to add my mushrooms as well as my broccoli. So I'm just going to mix all of that in together. I'm going to give it a nice toss. So for the next part, I'm just going to put the casserole dish to the side, and I'm going to bring out my Greek yogurt and my Laughing Cow cheese. Now guys, this is my favorite spread. So you're going to want to make sure that you get light Laughing Cow creamy cheese. And I'm going to go ahead and open them all up. To do a video with you guys because you can post a recipe, you can post pictures, but sometimes people really don't want to try a recipe out all by themselves, and so I really wanted to do something with you guys and show you that, you know, you're not alone. This is something that we can go through together. I'm so excited to do this with you guys because you know what? I'm learning too. We're all learners. So once you have all your Laughing Cow cheese in, before you put in your Greek yogurt, you're going to want to microwave this for just about 5 to 10 seconds to make sure that it's soft enough so that it will mix really well with the Greek yogurt. So I'll go soften it real fast. Ta-da! Softened. Now let's add the Greek yogurt. So we're going to do 1/2 cup of Greek yogurt. There we go. Now just mix them all together. This is one of my favorite spreads because, you know, once it's all baked, it really tastes like ricotta cheese. And my mom uses so many cheeses in her lasagna, and ricotta is one of them, and it really just makes me feel like I'm home with her, back in my living room from when I grew up. It is just wonderful. Okay, so once we have that mixture done, we can go ahead and bring our casserole dish back over, and we're gonna go ahead and spread that mixture right on to our chicken and veggies mixture. Like I said, if you guys don't want to add any extra veggies in here, it's totally fine. Just spread this all over. It's not going to look pretty. It's going to be a little bit messy, but that is totally fine. Okay, so here is our mixture. Beautiful. Now what we're going to do is get 3/4 cup of your Rayo's marinara sauce. So you're just going to want to spread all of that over your mixture. And then you're going to top it with cheese. So next you want to add your 2/3 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Make sure that you get reduced fat. Now also it has you do 1/4 of a cup of reduced fat Parmesan cheese, but I could not find reduced fat. So I'm just going to go ahead and do an extra 1/4 cup of this marinara. Of this mozzarella cheese, okay? Okay, so we're gonna just sprinkle that on. Do another 1/4 cup. Spread that out. Okay, very good. Okay, beautiful. Here is your casserole dish. You're gonna go ahead and pop that in the oven at 350 degrees for about 25 to 30 minutes or until golden brown. And what I did is I just cut it into 3s, and 1/3 is a serving. So enjoy, and I hope you guys love this. Woohoo! You now have your Italian chicken bake ready to go. Just cut that bad boy into 3 different sections. Each one is its own serving and you're ready to go. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Kelly.